Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and kind of like an eyeglass swatches on the brand new Vooglam Aurora collection. As you can see, these are vibrant, these are very colorful, very fun, very artistic in my opinion. I have 3 other pairs of eyeglasses to share with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this quick little introduction to Vooglam's new Aurora collection. And with that said, let me show you what I have in here. These are my absolute favorite glasses from the Aurora collection. This is in the style Eugenia. These are so pretty. The way that they have that geometric finish style to them, I feel like they really just sit on the face really pretty. And this is the second pair. These are the Mermaid style Aurora collection. Oh my goodness, I love these. I threw in a little bit of color, a purple eyeliner with blue in the waterline, and like look at how beautiful this just matches. This is giving mermaid glam. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with these as well. I love how big the frame is. They're a little bit square. They just, I don't know, they frame the face so beautifully. Definitely like my second favorite. This style is also one of my favorites. It has a beautiful cat eye shape, so if you have almond eyes, this is really going to suit you. It also has the beautiful Aurora finish to it, or the Aurora colors. So we have the blue, we have the purple, and then we have a little bit of almost like a green in the center. This is very sleek, so it's going to be a little bit more feminine. They're giving office secretary, they're giving librarian, giving Miss Smarty Pants. So love these. And this is the last style. This is Jazzy. This has to be my favorite from the entire Aurora collection. It is entirely clear, which just makes your makeup visible. So if you want to style your makeup like this with purple and blue to match your glasses, this is going to be the design for you. These do sit a little higher on your face, which I personally like because I am wearing lashes, so you can be sure that these are not going to bump into your lashes, and I'm wearing some pretty long ones. If you guys want to check out the Aurora collection from Vooglam, I will have everything listed in the description box down below. They offer other styles in the Aurora collection that you can check out. If none of these were for you, they have something at an affordable price, so make sure you guys go into the description box, click the links, and shop at Vooglam for their new collection. Let me know which one was your favorite. This one has to be my favorite out of the entire collection. So thank you so much for being here. I love you, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.